Now, moving on, India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has arrived in Moscow for a crucial three-day official visit. This comes at the invitation of Russia's first Deputy Prime Minister. Now, during this high-level visit, Dr. Jaishankar will co-chair the 26th session of the India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic, Scientific, Technological and Cultural Cooperation to be held. In fact, he will also be addressing the India-Russia Business Forum in the capital city. And while in Moscow, the External Affairs Minister is also set to hold talks with his Russian counterpart, Sergei Lavrov. Remember, the two leaders will likely take stock of the broader strategic partnership between New Delhi and Moscow, and they will also exchange views on pressing regional and global developments of mutual interest. Now, viewers, this visit currently is being seen as a key step in strengthening cooperation across critical sectors when it comes to New Delhi and Moscow, such as technology, energy, defense, as well as culture. And this visit, of course, comes amid rising tensions with the United States. Earlier, US President Donald Trump had announced a sharp increase in tariffs, doubling them to 50% in fact on Indian goods as a retaliatory measure against India's continued purchase of Russian oil. Now, remember, this decision has triggered sharp criticism in New Delhi, with the Indian government calling the move unjustified and unreasonable in fact. Clearly, high politically charged days for Indian diplomacy. You have Indian Prime Minister also hosting the Chinese Foreign Minister, and then you have External Affairs Minister traveling to Moscow on an official visit. It's a three-day visit which is going to give a boost to India-Russia ties. Now, if you have to walk you through the details of this visit, so Dr. S. Jaishankar will be co-chairing the 26th session of the India-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic, Scientific, Technological and Cultural Cooperation. He will also be addressing the India-Russia Business Forum in India, in Moscow in fact.